Welcome to Piston Whipped.
We're called Piston Whips, and we never say no. Fixed is fixed, and just hope it don't blow. With Darren and Dave, or Dave and Darren. Like and subscribe, come along for the ride. I said, like and subscribe, come along for the ride.
A bit drafty. Welcome back to episode 11 of... Episode 11.
Should we stop doing the episodes at the start?
I'm going to stop doing it. It feels awkward at this point.
Yeah.
It's awkward.
Hiya. Welcome to Piston Whipped.
This is hopefully the last episode you'll see the MX-5, because then she'll be for sale.
You might see a disgruntled Scottish man floating around in the background.
That's Brian. Thank you, Brian, for letting us use it.
This episode of Piston Whipped, we're going to be cleaning the MX-5 because we decided it's going up for sale.
It is. It wasn't even hard to convince Dave in the end.
It was. I still don't want it to go.
It was pretty hard to convince him.
So what are we doing?
We are going to fully clean, detail, polish, shine up, let MX-5. Then it will have a fresh MOT, and then it will be...
These could do with a spray. A little bit rusty. We're at a different bit of a location, yeah?
This is outside because eventually the sun did come out in Wales. It's us wobbling
Spring
about
sprung.
because it's a little bit drafty because we are
Yeah, sorry about the wobble.
right by the sea.
We live next to the sea.
You live next to the sea. I live in the middle of a town. Yeah, so watch us clean it. This is mostly on him. I'll just be doing what he tells me because I don't know what I'm doing apart from putting some soap, wash the soap off. He's more like, let's, get really in depth with the paint frame, bring up the deep colors. Deep colors.
If you're going to do a job properly, do it right first
It's black.
time.
Deep color, my arse. Black.
You like it deep.
I do love deep color.
There are a few little niggly bits about this. There's some polish left over from the previous owner,
Luke.
We don't fully understand which way we're going to put the camera. We're going to be moving you around a little bit until we get this done.
Or a lot.
Should we make a start?
Let's get on with this. Wheels, yeah?
Yeah, go around the wheels and behind the front wheels and behind the back wheels.
See what I mean? Already.
You're not doing it right there. It smells like fart.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
On there?
No, it's just for getting the iron out of the... See, if you have a look here, you can see where it's turning purple. That's all the iron deposits from the brake.
Look at all the iron deposit coming off. That wheel looked relatively clean before he sprayed all that stuff on it, and now look at the state of it. Looks like the paint's falling off.
Hey, we got some citrus pre-wash going on, yeah?
Oh, before and after shot for you. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, do you like our new hoodies?
Oh yeah, we got new hoodies.
Do you like our new hoodies? Look.
We got merch.
Merch.
Only for us though. You guys don't get to have it.
You can't have these ones. If you do want one, if you're one of those people that wants one, you can't have these ones because this is my car and that's his car. What's that now? That's pre-wash, is it?
Yeah, citrus pre-wash. It basically just helps break down any particulates.
I am going to make Dave talk you through all the stuff he's using because I don't know or care.
Right, so we just put some iron. We've just put some iron remover on the wheels and the paintwork behind it because it's all the stuff that gets kicked up onto the back of the paintwork and stuff like that. Stuff you don't want to go pushing into the paintwork because it'll scratch it up even more. Bit of citrus pre-wash on now. I'll get my can and we'll snow foam. How's it looking?
Excrement,
Trying to find a nozzle.
Don't.
So everything I use is auto bright, even though I'm fairly confident that the guy's going out of business. A lot of people wash off the snow foam as well when they're doing this, and then but I like the snow foam to be that little bit of a buffer. So never run it in circles, always go backwards and forwards, because you'll put swirls into the paint. You will. This is one of the things.
Not that. When you said it, I was going like this, and you said it, I went like this.
Whenever you're rinsing, I use the 2-bucket method. Rinse off in clean cold water. You don't have to do this, but
he does.
I do it.
is my dog, and Madison.
The other dog.
This is Ryan the Beagle.
Stupid
That's
name.
Shy. That's Cody. He was in the last video, but he only had a head and a body that was fatter than the one he's got. We're not being mean to the dog. We're trying to train the dog because he walks around in a harness and tries to pull your arm off. That's Madison. You can see what we put up with. It's wobbling. Can you please stop the wind?
Can you please stop the weather, guys?
You could please stop the weather.
Also, your butt is on the show again.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
I'm so sorry.
we've already decided the sexy stuff is what gets the views.
I'm so.
Yeah, but Phil does bum mistake.
My wife, everyone.
If you have painted calipers, just get in and give them a good quick once over.
The painted calipers, not the ones with the really crap stick-on Brembo things.
If you ever want any MG parts or TT parts or any German car parts, now.
They all come from in this garage.
If you got excessively muddy arches, clean them off.
So, as you can see, there is a complete difference before and after.
If we had the tar remover, we could get rid of all these black spots, and but I've run out of tar remover.
That's crazy. So, can't see it from the other camera, but Dave has got his little compressor, and he's drying every panel gap out before you polish it. Why are you doing that?
Because any water when you're doing the polish, it'll come apart. You'll also get mineral deposits left on everything.
So, go around every panel gap and just basically blast the water out. And also try and get some of the old polish out. Yeah?
Yeah. It's just to stop mineral deposits getting left on the paint. I mean, it's totally overkill. But if you aren't going to do it right, then what the fuck are you doing?
Stage 2.
Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand.
This is Dave's cutting compound, and it's actually banging. And the ultimate polish that goes with it. Not product placement, because we don't get paid for anything. So, if Maguire want to pay us, awesome. And now a quick cut and polish with a DA.
Oh yeah.
Baby! That's a microphone. As you can see, she is spotless.
She's shiny.
Like-
She's had a cut and polish.
A proper clean.
There's a hair on it. Madison. So she had a good wash all the way around. She's
She
nice and
looks
clean.
incredible. The worst part about it now is she's this clean.
We don't
and
want to get rid of it.
And now we really don't want to get rid of
We
it.
didn't want to get rid of it anyway.
We did, but now it's really shiny. And also, it looks really good like this, but when you do this, I don't know why, because I don't like convertibles, but that looks even more sexy.
You don't like convertibles. Look at it. I don't like convertibles.
But doesn't that look even more sexy with the roof down? So she will be for sale now, guys.
She is for sale.
She is for
Not
sale.
will be for sale. She is for sale.
She is for sale currently. She will
Starting bids are 50 grand.
That's because Dave doesn't want to sell it.
Starting bids are now at 125 grand. It's just going up, guys. It's just going up quick.
She will have an advert. We will.
Fresh MOT is going to go on this.
Yeah, fresh MOT. She then have an advert, and she will be for sale. And on to the next one.
So
This
keep an
one-
ay out on Facebook
This one,
Marketplace.
which
Wasn't a lot of talking in this video. Very silent, weren't we?
very silent.
We were more silent in this one. We were in a silent movie.
We were very silent, but you can't really talk while you're cleaning the car because it's quite hard to clean the car and talk. Guys, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing.
More comments.
More comments, more subscribers, more likes. You
Just-
could win a Mazda MX-5, not this one, but I'm sure
You could
there's
win a Mazda MX-5 if you put 3 grand in my pocket.
If you do like the merch, because we do actually have merch now, you can't purchase it from us yet, but let us know, and perhaps we can go about getting some actually made up, because it would be cool if people were wearing it. Also, thank you to the man in Haverfordwest the other day who said he liked the MS5 and the video on it because that embarrassed the shit out of me. So thanks very much.
He went all coy and shy. He's like, oh, what? Right, we're going to go do some videos of this and some pictures of this to get it up for sale. Keep an eye out on Marketplace, and thank you.